Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your JG Wentworth mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and in the Google search bar search for JG Wentworth mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of JG Wentworth, and on the top right hand corner you can see the login button. Click on it, or as soon as you open the JG Wentworth website you can see the login button is right here. So go ahead and click login. Now what you need to do is write down your username, your password, last 4 digits of your SSN and click enter. This way you can log in to your JG Wentworth account. Let me show it to you once again how you can log in to your JG Wentworth mortgage account. Either click on login, which is on the top right hand corner, or simply click on login, which is on the left hand side of your main screen. It will lead you to this login portal where you can write down your username, password, last 4 digits of SSN and click enter. Then you can successfully sign in or log in to your JG Wentworth mortgage account. And in case you are a loan customer, click on this link and then there will be a separate login portal where you can write down your email address, your password, and you can hide or unhide the password anytime, and then you can click login. This way you can log in to your loan mortgage account. If you forgot your password, click forgot password and this link will take you to this website where you can write down your email address, click send email, and then you can receive a mail and verify it and change your password once again. This was a video on how you can log in to your JG Wentworth mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.